So I got a comment on my last video that said, do you realize the amount of slop code it will generate to finish the task? And honestly, that's a fair concern. But here's the thing, slop in, slop out has been a reality of coding for decades. And whether it's AI or human writing, the difference is what guardrails you put around it. So here's what I actually do. First, I do not throw one-line prompts at AI and hope for the best. Every single GitHub issue I write has fully defined requirements, acceptance criteria, and expected outcomes. That's the difference between vibe coding, which is guaranteed slop, and actual engineering with AI. Second, I have Codex hooked up to every single PR doing deep technical reviews. Now you can use Greptile or whatever AI agent of your choice, but you should always have something that automatically reviews your PRs even in CI. And then that feedback cycles right back into the agent's work, so issues get caught and fixed before anything ever merges. Third, I use domain-specific tooling that encodes 30 years of software engineering experience and best practices. The agents actually know about these tools and use them. And fourth, every agent is configured with a CLAUDE.md file or agents.md file that give it specific domain knowledge, coding standards, and project conventions. Now, when you stack all four of these together, you do not get slop. You get code that passes CI, survives code reviews, and follows established patterns. AI slop isn't a feature of the tools, it's a choice. So if you allow slop in, you're going to get slop out. I hear engineers talk about this all the time and really dump on AI, and I can tell you right now that if this is your attitude, you're going to be out of a job. I've got links to everything I use in the description. Now, here's what I want to know from you. What guardrails do you use to make sure that you do not get slop in and slop out? Drop them in the comments. See you next time.